Excel Vlookup with Chat GPT. Working. If you are already known of Excel Vlookup function, it is so easy. Vlookup function to find the value of the exact match of ID and name from the given table in the left side. But, in case you have no idea of Excel function, then go to ChatGPT below. Input your question in a new chat. I need an Excel function that searches the value from cell E3 in a table and returns the value that is to the right of it. ChatGPT explains your question in detail. In the middle of black box, you can copy this formula and paste in your Excel cell. But, you need to change this range from table to A, B with more wide range for sure. Wow, it is working. Excel with ChatGPT. Help. Here ID 114013 error NA. How can we fix this with another Excel formula with ChatGPT support? Can you change the function to return not found if no value is found? You can copy this formula and paste in your Excel cell. But, you need to change this range from table to A, B, more wide. Here ID 114013 error, and A is changed to not found perfectly. Super!